None of the above is not correct.
Lord, that question, Ujjwala, that is over. Now, Lord, that we are not concerned with that. Lord, the second matter is filed by the successful candidate, that is 60.1, for vacating the interim order because they are not getting the appointment. Some of them have even resigned from their jobs because they were selected here, etc. And there also, my lord, the question is, Lord, if your lordship comes to 60.2, what is under challenge? 60.2. I'll just give an by way of an example, which is SLP 8015.
Mr. Narwar, you are there for.
I am appearing
on 60.2.
on 60.2.
So you come.
Yes, my lord.
You are aggrieved.
Yes, my lord. I am the petitioner.
You are for the state and you are for the respondent.
I am for Bharat.
Who are the successful ones.
Yes, we have been issued letters.
And you have prejudice because of the stay.
Yeah, pursuant to your lordship's order, we have, as
Yes.
the Solicitor General mentioned, we've given up. We've all acted on the basis of the orders which came to be passed. We are in harness. Some of us have received salaries, etc.
And then you left your job. You resigned your job. You came.
We have equalized wherever there was a
segment that got appointment.
You resigned from the other
job, and then that order, my lord, said that High Court to decide. Today, High Court has decided. Everything is concluded. So we neither have the job here, and here we have been given appointment letters, and we are not being paid salary.
We have been allocated districts, but we just can't join because of that order.
Then let us hear him.
Yes, only one aspect may be there borne in mind.
The problem to Inki
No, one aspect may be borne in mind. One of the matters where there was a confusion. But we have said that we will give one additional mark to everyone.
Oh,
so it's equalizing. That's fair.
It's not under challenge.
It's not under challenge.
What has happened, my lord? This is a lekhpal exam. Exams were conducted. Then a provisional answer sheet was given where we were awarded the right mark. We were awarded marks for the
Counsel, before that, one foundational fact we'd like to use was it. Did you file this petition after 21?
Yes, man. On there. Yes, man. Where there were. What is it?
Is it yes or no?
No, man. I in my
what?
In that
is it no or yes?
Yes.
My lord, what has happened?
Fact to batao.
That is what I'm trying to tell, my lord.
No, I put a very pertinent and relevant and direct question. Whether your
issue
before the High Court.
I had not filed. Some other people have filed, my lords. Order was.
We are asking you, did you file before 21/11/2023 or not? Yes or no? Then we come to the second point.
No, my lords, I have not filed that, but some other people have filed it.
So some other people, let some other advocate assist us.
No, but they
Your
are not.
client has not, then you better not.
No,
Finish. Because we had given and we had reiterated that. I know because it was my order, it was again came before
this. No, that is why, let me explain.
We will not give you no explanation if it was right or wrong.
Issue was there, my lord. Issue was there before the High Court. High Court single judge has decided the issue against the.
If somebody has decided that counsel will come, that petitioner would come, not you. If they have not before the High Court by 21/11,
appreciate, my lord,
are out.
My lords, kindly appreciate the reason I am here because I am only out of merit list by 1.25 marks. This entire examination contains 0.25 negative marks. And when this
you may succeed on their shoulder, it is a later thing, but no, we will not permit you to intervene.
I am the petitioner before the High Court.
We cannot enlarge.
I'm the petitioner.
After 21/11,
no, after the notification, they my lord, what has
happened? Is it after 21/11? Yes. We don't go beat about the bush. Is it after 21/11/23 or not?
Yes, my lord. My intra-court appeal is thereafter.
Now, who's in?
It's the intra-court appeal, my lord. My lord was trying to tell your lordship. My appeal was already there.
Your original it was already there. Prior to that.
That's right. No, there was an original. That's the problem.
Simple.
That's the problem.
When did you approach? We said we did not say when did you appeal before the division bench.
That obviously post that date.
May I only tell your lordship this one? Because of kindly see the piquant situation.
Counsel, every situation is that we can't let this thing keep hanging.
But because of your lordship's order, kindly see, but for your lordship's order. Vacation, your lordships have been very kindly, sitting with my Lord Justice Hima Kohli, your lordships have kindly, issued notice in 60.2.
No, Mister, just
That
tell us what is the point.
My lord is asking, tell the point.
The simple point, thanks to your lordship's order.
Oh, forget that. What is the point? What is thanks name? What is the merit in your case?
The merit is, all the questions, literally have wrong answers.
All.
No. I say all, several questions have wrong answers. Now, what has happened?
For the
originally,
hypothesis of one question.
My learned friend doesn't mind. If the learned solicitor doesn't mind, no, it's not one. I have at least 5 questions here which I can show you.
So you are in which SLP?
In my case, there is a separate question. In other cases, there are separate questions.
Which SLP you are in?
Each question, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Each question, my lord, has a negative connotation, a negative mark of 0.25, and a positive of 1. So, my lord, before my lord's order, my lord said a particular question, 2 questions, reject them. Therefore, what happened? I had 1.25 the difference. Therefore, because if somebody else, I was earlier in the merit list. Now, because of my thanks to my lord's order, my lord, somebody else jumped over me because his questions, my lord, your lordship said will get both the 0.25 will be deducted. So therefore, my lord, he comes that much closer, and 1 mark will be added. Now, because of that, I go out of the without being heard. I go out of the merit list. I have the same problem. One of my questions, which admittedly is a wrong answer.
One of the, yes,
admittedly is a wrong
which
answer.
SLP you are appearing in. For my knowledge, because I must
8015 60.2, sir. 60.2. Your lordship has said your lordship will hear us.
Yes, let them satisfy lordships on marriage that the answer is wrong.
Lordship may have it on an NMD,
No,
see, their counter was to come within 10 days, that is the 10th of May.
No,
the counter has now come on.
I think it is a very fair suggestion that go directly to the crux of the matter.
You are
Beat
in
about
60.2.
If he
That's
is
right.
ready,
Yes.
if he is-
0.2.
In
if he is
60.2.
prepared on
Show us the
that
page
basis,
where there are questions and answers.
yes, go directly, why beat about the question?
जिसकी hard copy दे दो.
Lord, would your lordship just kindly see?
That is more, my lord.
Actually, you should also not be asking questions for which there are no ready answers.
That's
No, my lord, there are answers. My lord, we have filed our reply and we will satisfy. There are certain tricky questions, my lord, only a person.
Where the father loves the child more than the mother. Correct, incorrect. All kinds
No,
of questions.
it's very clear. My lord, I'll show.
No, we are looking at brief 3 points.
60.2. For petitioner no 1.
0.2 चाहिए.
Anupam Shukla,
That's right. That's right.
आप पेज बताओ पेज.
32.
Would your lordship just go to page J, my lord? J, in my synopsis, just kindly go to page J straight away. Your lordship will get it. Page number J, J for Jack. In SLP number 8015.
Yes.
Kindly see the question, my lord.
Deletion of
The question is, which is the longest national highway that passes through Uttar Pradesh? Against the above question, following were the options NH4, NH8, NH2, none of the above. My lord, we chose number C, which was NH2.
Before you chose, which is the correct answer?
Now, kindly see this. That is the correct answer.
Which
None
is
of,
the correct
none of the above.
Which?
My lord, my reply page 3. I have given, my lord, each.
Yeah, then.
My reply page 3
Page 3 of this paper book.
of my reply.
Now,
I filed a reply counter
no,
affidavit on this.
the options are E, F, G, H. Where is A, B, C, D?
No, my lord. At A, your lordship will find
The options are given E, F, G, H.
there are 4 answers given. The petitioners have chosen option number C.
My lord, your lordships may, my lord, come to page 3 of my reply.
This should be ABCD.
My reply, my lord.
This is obviously a mistake.
Which is the answer? Which is you saying?
The correct answer is number 3. This G, this
C.
E, F, G, H is wrong. I'm sorry, my lord. It should have been.
Lord, your lordships may see page 32.
No, where is
The question at page 32.
No, we don't get a reply. Is it by way of IEA? Or
No,
counter?
it is a counter.
The counter has been filed on the 3rd of July.
On behalf of respondent number?
Commissioner, my lord, it is the name of the lawyer is M.R. Shamshad. My lord,
Yes.
the lordships
Yes.
just to find out.
Yes. Page 3.
Page 3.
You
So paraphrase.
It is NH2.
According to him, yes.
And according to you?
None of them.
No.
And I'll show, my lord, why.
So
At the outset, it is submitted that present petitioners have come, the lordship may skip, it is submitted that petitioners are seeking 1 mark in their examination on the pretext the correct answer for the longest national highway passing through state of Uttar Pradesh is NH2. Is absolutely incorrect and is submitted. Then kindly see the chart given below. NH4, the first possible answer in the multiple choice, not in the state of Uttar Pradesh, so it can't be the answer. NH8, not in the state of Uttar Pradesh, either pre or post 2012. Now, NH2 was longest, but in 2010, we wanted the students to know that in 2010, NH numbers are changed. Please see, NH, this national highway was in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Hence, the exam held in 2002, NH2 cannot be related to Uttar Pradesh because now NH2 passes through some northeastern state. That is National Highway 2, page 5. It's Dibrugarh, Assam and terminates in Tuipang, Mizoram.
Even earlier, NH2 was not the longest in
And earlier also NH2 was not the longest. Please see next, NH2 post 2010.
Why do you ask such questions?
Kindly see, next, for my satisfaction.
There's a knowledge in this also. NH2 and
lekhpal exam.
Lekhpal exam, they have to be. They have to. Please see next. Please see NH2 post 2010. NH2 post 2010, which has been renumbered as 19 now.
already it is not NH2.
So it is none of D.
No,
None of the above.
Even NH2 post 10 is not a correct answer.
And the
That was saying none of the above.
examination is of
Lekhpal,
which year?
2022.
Yeah, respondent below, kindly see page K, they give an answer key.
No, what is it factually incorrect what they have?
Yes, kindly see page K. The respondent number 2 published the answer key, K of my petition. Answer key to the examination held on 31/7 with the commission R2 accepts NH2 as the correct answer.
Counsel, we are asking you, is it factually correct? We did not ask you. If suppose they committed a mistake by showing that C is the correct answer, we are asking you, is factually the stand taken before it is correct or incorrect? NH2 is largest or not largest? If they commit a mistake in their answer.
NHAI in a notification of 2022 says NH2 is the longest.
No, it is for land acquisition.
No.
For land acquisition purposes.
Then are you consider a question to be wrong? Now come to the next. They are the best person to know which page.
This is this in it
Which is the second one?
throws me out. This
You're thrown out. Tell us the second
the
one.
other one, my learned friend,
Yes,
is appearing. He's appearing in the other one. And you see.
Which one? 60.3.
Please have a
That is
look at
Shashank.
Yes.
Please have a look at the question. Your lordships will find the question at page 97.
So 113, I think. Possibly 113, just check.
97.
Your relates to which booklet which answer?
Yes, Lord.
Booklet A, B, C, D.
And who was conducting this examination? By the way?
Please
But the commission, subordinate state selection commission. I appear for that.
UP.
UP.
Yes. Which question?
Which page is this?
Yes, page 97.
97.
Hey,
Better-
I think
Better to see the original. 113 is the original, if you don't mind.
97, which page?
97 SLP paper group.
Yes.
90, attempt number 95 at the bottom.
So type copy, yes.
Yeah.
Under solar photovoltaic irrigation pump scheme, small and marginal farmers are eligible for how much grant for 1800 watt 2 HP surface?
What is the correct answer?
Correct answer, my lord, is 30. B.
No.
This is 1.
No, and in the official
Website.
website, what does
45.
the
Website, my lord, is
45.
of 2016 and 17 from their own affidavit I will show.
No. But there the correct answer is shown to be what?
45.
Correct answer they shown was
Page 6 of my reply.
page C,
45.
45.
So,
45 was existing in 16, 17 up to 18. Thereafter, official Milord documents which I have produced, I will show that. Please have a look at that. And Milord, they concede this. I will show that.
Well, there was a confusion in this question.
Let me.
We
now
cancelled and
it's
gave
now-
1 mark
we
each.
thought-
No, we got the point. Now let him reply because now he has to reply. Yes.
In the original was X, in the website it was Y. Finding that, we cancelled this question and gave 1 mark to everyone. So now nobody is prejudiced.
This, no, everybody is prejudiced. I will point out. Each petitioner is prejudiced.
This is.
That might not assist your lordship.
But may I just take 2 minutes before my learned friend Mr. Solicitor
Why do you
starts?
ask such questions?
But they are supposed
Lord,
to know.
I must
the
point out
lekhpal.
But question in the precise, you know, when there is ABCD, there has to be precise answer to that.
Out of
Something
Lord,
will change
100 plus
within-
questions, the examples are 1 or 2.
Lord, the interesting
Examiners
thing
are outside the state.
is- Interesting
And the
thing is,
question, only a
for
minute,
the learned single
only a
judge,
minute,
their stand was,
only a minute.
their stand was,
Answering-
Lord, this is something, Lord, my learned friend cannot go straight away to his reply. Their stand before the learned single judge was that although those government decisions which we are annexed, it is only under consideration. That is the only basis on which, my lord, the single judge, my lord, dismissed our petition. In
Now
the
it is
High Court, before the
cancelled.
division bench, we produced all documents, official documents showing that they are not right. It is the decision. The High Court calls upon them to file an affidavit. Instead of filing affidavit, my lord, they make a somersault and they take a decision to allot 1 mark to everybody. All, even those who have tried it wrong, even those who have tried.
How many of you are here?
We are 24 or something.
All of you.
In total, my lord, there would be 200 people. My lord.
But they were not the original writ petitioners in the High Court. Writ petition was filed by
But
somebody
I'm
else.
sorry, Miller, these
Yes.
are all technical
They were
objections.
not- yeah,
Your
not-
stand, the state stand.
there was a date fixed
Single
by
judge
this
was very
Yes.
specific.
There
That
was a
is not
date
the
fixed by
decision, it
this
is just
honorable
in
court.
the
But-
under
All right,
consideration.
we'll have it on 16th. Come on.
Please, Miller.
But on this, I want to say 1 or 2 things.
File a rejoinder in the meanwhile, my lord.
My lord, the difficulty is this. My lord. My difficulty is this. My lord, large number of
This
candidates.
difficulty you have created for yourself by setting up these questions.
My lord, 2 questions out of, my lord, total, I guess, my lord, 100 questions.
My view on this is very clear. On these small matters, court should not be interfering.
Correct.
My lord,
Ye kya, wo kya, but now they have.
no, they have not. My lord, kindly see page 6 of my reply. I have quoted the High Court's finding. So please see, my lord, from my side.
No, but Mr. Mehta,
Only a minute. My
No,
lord,
no.
kindly have a look at page 6, my lord.
no, probably he has a point that look here, the correct answer is there, then why are you giving one to everybody?
Yes.
Had there been ambiguity, had there.
No, I have explained that. My lord, kindly come to page 6.
Page
Kindly
six
come to
also.
page 6 of my reply. My lord, it's a
So-
very short reply.
Let us have it next week,
16.
otherwise,
16 को सुनेंगे.
No, my lord, the question. My lord,
because we will have.
We can't dismiss it like that.
no, my lord, those seats can be, the vacancies can be kept vacant, my lord, but why should, my lord, everyone else, thousands of people, hundreds of people, 7,800 people should suffer.
On this question, I want to point out.
But if they can wait for 3 months, they can wait.
But on this,
7,800
How
people.
many vacancies are there? How many of you are here?
Look, there are 8,000 vacancies which are sought to be filled in. Today, before your lordship.
How many of you are here?
Yes, I'll point out that. I'll point out that. The writ petitioner, SLP
Lord, I-
petitioners before your lordship.
I have to make 2 points before.
आप लोग कितने हो यहाँ पे?
Yes, I will point out that.
नहीं, one, that question is out.
अरे 1, 2,
आपका तो खत्म हो गया, आपका तो खत्म हो गया.
My lord, our problem is, we have the sanctioned strength of 30,837 and the presently working strength is 17,000. So, my lord, let them
More
come.
than 12,000 are still.
We are running
No,
short of.
we'll keep those posts, the rest you fill.
Correct,
Yes,
my lord.
yes,
That's all, my
yes.
lord. That's all.
I just want to make, just 1 minute. I just want to make 2 points. Kindly give me a chance. This,
Give you a chance on 16th.
no, I just today for even keeping vacant posts. The point is, these people never filed writ petitions. Your lordship made the order in November.
It's in
No,
breach
No,
of
my
the
learned
lordship
friend,
order.
not right.
In the interim, we only want them to keep it vacant, will not allow it. It's not that they allow it.
All right, let the rest be filled up. That's all.
Let the rest be-
Yes, yes.
Which have been already appointed in January,
Let all those who have been appointed.
Lord, my learned friends are not right. There is no actual appointment that was Lord pointed out for your lordship.
इतना दिमाग अगर आपने पढ़ने में लगाया होता तो बात हो
I must point out. I talked to some of the petitioners, Lord, their application intensity of application of
Which
mine
is that order?
intensity
Which is
such a.
all right, which is that order?
That order is no further appointment.
Yes, Lord, that order will not point out.
That order is, my lord,
13th February.
13th February.
13th February 24.
the appointments have taken place in January of 24.
13th February
Yes.
Yes, my lord, it was,
of this court.
Yes, this court's initial order, was
Another case.
1st November 23.
And Lord, ultimately,
If the
29th of April, Lord, your lordships, Lord, passed an order where my lord, that stay was continued in our favor, specifically in our favor.
Fifth.
What is the page number in this page? 60.3?
324, the order is at page 324. 324.
In which petition it was filed? 30th?
My lord, your lordship.
Can I, just for handy,
Your
ready
lordship
reference.
will have to see 29th April order, that is in this petition.
No, I
Earlier
can
it
use
was in
a
some
ready
high-
reference.
It was disposed of.
24.
Only see, my lord, the third page.
3.3.
It's in,
It's okay, it's on 324.
No, it's
No, I have given another copy.
29th of April, my lord, is the
What is there in 29? I've got 29.
Para
29th
5.
of April order, your lordships will find, my lord, the order, my lord, at page 4,
What is there in the order?
where your lordships have, my lord,
No,
prevent
last,
them from actually issuing the appointment or making the appointment.
Read
last,
that line.
no,
Read-
last but one
Copy of
page.
the applications, SLP, etc., shall be furnished to the learned counsel appearing for the respondent.
No, it only says, copy of the application shall be furnished to learned counsel within 2 weeks.
No, sub,
If filed within 10 days with a copy of the
That was-
affidavit, any.
That was corrected, my lord. Then, my lord, stay order was specifically passed.
next,
There is a-
next,
there is-
next one,
There
next.
is the-
Miscellaneous
there is an order
application
which was
5.
Later on, sir. Initially it was missing.
29.
It was revived.
And that was corrected.
All orders.
Para 4.
No, we'll make a
13th
general
February is the
order.
order, my lord. Why are
We'll make a general order saying that all other orders where there are blanket stay for appointment shall stand modified to this extent.
To the extent.
there is only one order actually.
Lord, your lordships may see this. Lord, I'm just marking. Your lordships have the revised order. Last but one page, miscellaneous application 566.
Which order is this? In which petition and which order?
Lord, your lordships may kindly see this. But for ready reference, I have marked it. Kindly. This is revised order.
Last page.
So, revised order, para 4, page 5.
Para 4, page, para 5.
So this will modify.
Yes, modify to the extent I want to understand so that, my lord, there is.
Understand that if you win, you'll get the job. Simple.
Their statement be recorded that if we succeed, then, my lord, you
अरे
are.
वो हम है ना यहाँ पे तो
Very well, very well, very well.
we'll pass an order.
Yes.
If you succeed, you'll get it. If they succeed, they'll get it. Why their statement is required now?
Yes.
You will only say.
But Mr. Mehta and Mr. Patwalia and Mr. Raman and everybody, suppose tomorrow we hold that this question required either 1 marks or no marks or whatever, or it was correct, only those, then that parameter will have to be extended to people who have already been selected, then they might also somebody go in, go out.
No.
We can't wait for.
No. That will explain.
What is the order?
May I request one thing? But since, Lord, last 3 months this order is
Just
there,
one
1 week is not going to make.
No, for us it makes a difference and understand those
We
families
are protected.
who have been
We are
selected
protected.
and no,
We are protected.
not for a day, not for a day.
The balance of convenience.
But
is
yeah.
Well, I was only submitting that appropriate to my Lord's order of 21st November 23, which required the exercise to be completed. We got selected and we
No,
got.
that
Yes,
all that
sir.
we'll hear.
People who have been selected,
No,
the
we'll hear
process
you on
will
16th. 16th.
go to its logical end, but they will be safeguarded.
Wait, so some of
in
you
record
will-
that there are
will get
enough
the point.
seats,
Our-
if at all.
Today, apropos to 21st November, our equities have changed. We have resigned from our job.
They are allowed
You'll get a job now.
job
What are you saying?
to, that
They
is
will
what
say, how many of you are here?
Lord, they are about 100 or so. Lord, I will give you
we are
exact-
protecting
So
them
we'll
because there are enough.
100 seats will reserve.
My
Rest you fill.
There are in other petitions, there are total 3 petitions. my lord.
That's my.
Yeah, how many? Tell us.
Near about 200 people would be there, my lord.
I don't think that.
200.
We will give you exact numbers.
Exact
Lordship
numbers we
will
can-
bear with us for that. There is only one more request.
7, 8, 9.
Lord, your lordship may fix it for a specific date
Yes,
so that,
my lord.
Lord, it doesn't remain.
16, 16.
16, please, my lord.
कितने हैं?
Lord, we will give the exact numbers of the SLP.
As of now, there are sufficient numbers. There are
Yes, my lord, there are
sufficient numbers.
600.
So we'll say no further recruitment will be done. We are protected.
No.
What has been done, they will join.
Your lordships need not-
Okay.
It is already done. Your lordships can even create supernumerary posts, but otherwise vacant posts are much more.
That is what we'll say, that people who have already
Lordships
been
can record my
appointed,
statement.
will be taken to the
Your
logical.
lordships can record my statement. even if we fill up all the vacancies, if they succeed by creating posts, they would be accommodated.
Okay, put up on 6.
But I think they
Parties
can
will
be
be
more
heard
more
fairly.
fair than this.
Meanwhile, the interim order dated, which is the date?
29th
9th
April.
April.
13th February 20.
No, no,
No,
that was
9th
not-
April
No,
24.
no, it's
So, which has
29th
been
April.
continued.
29th April 24.
20.
And 13th February.
Yes.
Yes, 29th April. Correct.
And
correct,
13,
correct.
it continues.
It is
13th
continued.
February shall stand modified to the extent that the respondent, which is the authority, respondent authority?
No, the UP state government and the commission.
No, now the appointment orders have to be issued by the appointing authority.
By
the
the-
government.
By the revenue,
No, no, we'll direct both. We'll both.
state of UP,
State of UP as well as the
And,
commission.
and the concerned authority.
and the revenue board.
Shall issue the appointment order to all the selected candidates, subject to their, how many posts are there?
Well, near about 200.
No, we will give
We are
exact,
just multiplying from 50, 100, 200.
Approximately 200.
Do it.
Well, your lordship may say,
It has been assured that if they will, they are going.
For the future vacancies.
no, 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 this same selection process.
So as I have been given to understand, even if you don't protect them, they'll be protected.
We'll only say that no fresh appointment because there's more than.
I can make a further statement.
No, but actually we want to
If
know.
they succeed,
No,
these-
actually, as you said, more than 4,000 vacancies, only 1,700 have been filled up. That means still more than 1,200, 1,300 vacancies are there. So we will say that remaining vacancies will not be filled up because the process are also not started.
Correct. That also can be.
Correct.
No,
That is
then
more
it
than
create another problem. Those vacancies are the future vacancies.
Then
Correct. No, existing to be filled up.
No, but on that, the right will accrue of those people, you know. Suppose if in this year there are only 4,000. 4,000 have been filled.
only 1,700.
No, my lords are.
Clarify.
Look,
How
therefore, my
many
lord,
persons?
8,000.
5 letters of appointment given, this is my figure that I have, 7,897. So even from 8,085, there are still vacancies which are there, even if there are about 100 of them, there are about 170 odd still there. So letters of appointment in January, thereafter, before my Lord's order of 13th February, have been given to 7,890.
And no fresh advertisement has come.
No, no.
Your lordship can say your
lord,
lordship.
simplest way is, my lord,
1 minute.
to record my statement. If they succeed, they would also be appointed.
Okay. But you make an appointment not on future vacancies, or you'll have to create a supernumerary post for them.
Correct. Your lordship.
Okay. The learned Solicitor General who appears for the state of UP has given a statement that in case the petitioner before this court succeed, they shall be given appointment after creating supernumerary post for them.
If necessary.
If necessary, they'll be given appointment for creating.
Based on this examination, if your lordship.
So in light of
Of
this
course,
order,
you see,
if this order stands vacated, your lordships will vacate your.
no, we have modified it to this.
We are modified, fair enough, modified.
No, only one thing, my lord.
Now you know it, we know it. आप appoint कर दो अफसर को.
Your lordship may then add one more line. In the meantime, the selected candidates may be appointed.
कह दिया.
No, your lordship may record.
Your lordship may add that.
May kindly record it, my lord, so that.
That we've said. That initially पढ़ी order.
Order dated time for and 13th February 24 shall clarify to the extent that the state of UP and the concerned authority shall issue the appointment order.
Issue appointment order.
No order.
And my lord, only one thing.
Just a minute.
The merely, the cause of the petitioner will not be defeated merely because of the pendency of the case before this.
So you are covered, whether it's supernumerary or
Only,
whatever.
only one thing, the petitioners of these two SLPs will be accommodated.
All the SLP 60 to
Only
60.
with-
Yeah, yes,
Before us.
may not happen that now
Only-
more and more people start
only
coming.
Petitioner,
Who stops them? They will say कि अब तुम लग गया come.
So people would start gathering signatures. Your lordship knows.
we said that the petitioner, the right of the petitioners will not be defeated only because of pendency.
We also make it clear that our order pertains to the only present SLP before this court,
Yes.
which are as follows, सबके number and नाम.
Very please.
Intervention and treatment of defective. Or deletion of petition.
Allowed.
60 can be disposed of as having become
Deletion of
infectious.
petition number 1.
Delete कर.
Petition number 1.
Delete कर.
Find a lot of applications for
ये भी
improvement.
Allowed to file the rejoinder, madam.
What you have to do, you have to do.
Not only one
You have
request,
to
my lord,
observe also.
instead of
Because, madam, there is an
16.
observation of this honorable court.
We have not stopped you from filing.
Yes,
so instead of 16th, can it be some other day, my lord? 17th, 18th, 17th is the holiday.
17th नहीं होगा.
17th is a holiday. Then it has to go to the next Tuesday.
Next के बाद.
23rd.
Lord, 60 and 60.1
23.
have
23rd.
60 and 60.1 have become infructuous because now the final orders are passed by the High Court.
हाँ? देखिए,
60.
60. देखिए. 6 SLP number 6 go 60 and so 60.1 have become infructuous. The same are dismissed for having become infructuous. उसके बाद वो order pass.
Yes.
Madam, there is a clarification. Those are not SLPs, those are MAs.
MS. Yes. MS.
MA number बता देना.
So 566 of 2024 and 901 of 24. They are MS.
MA.
Grateful to you.
Very good.
My lords, in this very matter, I am appearing on behalf of petitioner number 1, that is Anupam Shukla only. Seeking permission to withdraw IA number